Going on YouTube. In this video, I want to talk to you about the FBA multi-tool and how I'm using that on my team and some of the new features that have rolled out recently. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jake Diego, and on this channel I talk about ways you can improve your Amazon business as well as personal development and some goals that I have for my business. Now, this is part 2 of this series. To summarize part 1, it went over a lot of the basic things in terms of, are you eligible to sell this product? Is it hazmat? And that I'll include here on the right in the cards, so that if you do want to check that out first, it'll help put it a little more perspective for you. But to summarize the major points of that video, this FBA multi-tool has resulted in about a $320 cost savings to me and the team, because now the reviewer's not just reviewing things, he can also help the purchaser out, work with spreadsheets, and do multiple other tasks. Now, he wasn't fired or anything, so it's not necessarily a true gain, but it is in value for me anyways. It is as such. Now, one of the other things, though, is the whole goal behind this was to increase the amount of a deemed winner, declared winner, to the amount of an actually purchased product from 19 to 50%. So in the past, for example, a sourcer would find a product from Barnes & Noble, look through the numbers, find that it's good, it's selling on Amazon, and Amazon's not selling it, would say it's a winner, and then later on in the senior procedures, they may have some way it gets knocked out, maybe with price stability or something. And so that used to be 19%. Well, right before this video, I calculated it, and it's actually 55 to 60%. So we are more than doing better than this goal. So I'm really happy with that. Now let's get into the features. Let's talk about it. As many of you know, Keepa is now a paid service, and the FBA multi-tool used to use the Keepa, but now they created a Keepa of their own, and it's super accurate, and it includes the sales rank, it includes the price action numbers, and it'll even tell you, such as this example, when Amazon's in there. It has, that orange going on if Amazon's in there. So really happy with that. One of the new things, though, that we never used in the past was the actual buy box data. So I really like that they're including that too. And I pretty much have everything I need in terms of different time ranges, different ranges to see what's going on with the product. Another one of the features is this ungate feature. Now I know I'm gated in Lego, so this isn't going to work, but if you can be ungated in something, automatically you're going to see this as pass. Now I'm going to click it and it's probably going to say fail. Yes, it does. But this is another nice feature when you know you can't sell something because it says eligible to sell no, and you can just click that, because there are times when it's worked for us that it's actually ungated, but it saves you going to the Amazon detail page and doing that kind of thing. At this point in the video, if you liked what you've heard so far, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Let's continue. Another thing with this FBA multi-tool is this buy price area down here where you see voucher disc. And that is, you can actually put in the cost of a product, let's say $2.25, and click calculate, and it's going to tell you your profit is $1.23. Your ROI is 48.81%. So really handy there. It's not necessarily 100% accurate, but it's going to give you really, really close ballpark on all that. And so it makes it easier for yourself or virtual assistants when you actually plug them into your spreadsheet or plug them into your calculation method, and you know you're going to be at least close. So really, really nice. And a thing that ties right into that, once you put in that buy cost, it's going to give you a score. It bases it off of these many things, and how's that product working, how's it selling, what's it doing. And so that's another cool feature of the FBA multi-tool. On the product details search page, you will see the ranks come up right there. The BSRs come up right there. Let's say maybe not so much for online arbitrage, but maybe for wholesale, you know you're going to get this product for $12. Well, you can enter it right here as your buy price, click calculate, and it's going to tell you, here's the profit, here's the ROI, here's the information, sales estimate, all that stuff on the product search page. So fantastic tool, guys. One of the other features is this variation viewer. So for clothes, for shoes, that kind of stuff, you're going to have variations typically. Now, we can all say that neutral colors are tried and true, and they kind of are. You'll see it right here as I sort here by total reviews. But as you can see, a lot of these, A lot of these ones here on the top are actually neutral colors. But the idea behind this is the products with more reviews are going to be the products that are more sold, more bought, and that kind of thing. So it helps you get an idea there. So here we see this size 9.5 shoe in the colorway white and black is a pretty good shoe to try to find if you can find it at the right price. And one of the other things I wanted to mention that I didn't mention in part 1 of this video is, yeah, you got the sellers, yeah, you got their quantities, but up here you also get an idea on what the average buy box price of this item is for 30, for 60, for 90 days. So for us, that's price stability. You want to see that this isn't all out of whack and it's just some artificially high price, or vice versa, it hasn't come from like a high number and it's just slowly declining. So this will help you with that. And also the sales rank, it helps you know a little bit more on there in terms of where that's headed. I'd still absolutely look at their form of the keepa chart, but it gives you a really close, easy look at how that all works. This was a question in the last video, is actually based on the monthly thing. So it's not 60 days, not 90 days. That's how many are estimated to sell each month. So it really gives you a really good idea how fast this product is actually selling. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. I would check out the tool, and like I say, my results were great. I'm sitting at about 55 to 60% in terms of that ratio of an actual found product to purchase product. I'm more than happy with this product, and the features are just amazing, and they'll continue to add features as well. Thank you for watching.